everyone, I am Sristy Dutta and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you 5 sunscreen mistakes that I made, which probably you do as well, and how to do it correctly. Now without wasting a second, let's get started. For today, I am using the Mamaearth's Ultralight Indian Sunscreen. It contains turmeric, orange oil and carrot seed oil. It's super lightweight, doesn't dry out or leave patches, keeps my skin moisturized and protected for an extended period of 6 hours, and keeps my skin glowing without making it oily or greasy. You can use the code Sristy2022 to get 20% off on this product. The first sunscreen mistake is applying it only on face. Well, I have seen many people do this mistake and I used to do it as well, until one day I noticed that my face was bright and glowing. On the other hand, my neck was very dull and dark. From that day, I started applying sunscreen all over the exposed part of my body, like neck, hands, elbow, feet, legs, everywhere. The second mistake is only looking at SPF. SPF is very important. Your sunscreen should always be more than 30 SPF. Nothing below than 30 will protect your skin from the sunlight, and there are 2 more major things that you should look in your sunscreen. The first one is broad spectrum and the second is PA+++. The third sunscreen mistake is not waiting for 20 minutes before you step out. If you have just applied your sunscreen and you are stepping outside, then my friend, you are in a losing battle with the sun, because it takes 20 minutes for our skin to absorb the protective ingredients. So apply your sunscreen at least 20 minutes before you step outside. The fourth sunscreen mistake is saying no to reapply the sunscreen. If you are outdoor and exposed to sun, then it is very important to reapply your sunscreen every 3 hours. I am using this Mamaearth sunscreen which gives 6 hours of protection. So if I am using this sunscreen, it becomes really hassle-free for me. And if I am not stepping out in the sun, like only staying in the house, then I only apply it once in a day. The fifth sunscreen mistake is using too much product. Many people suggest using 3-finger sunscreen rule, but I think that's a marketing strategy to finish the product early and rebuying it. Sunscreen is obviously very important, but the 3-finger rule makes it very hard for me to blend the whole thing on my face. So I go with a different formula, which is 1.5 finger rule. The 1.5 finger rule is just perfect for me. Not too much product, not too less product, just the perfect quantity to cover the whole face. Here is how I apply the sunscreen. The 20% off coupon code can be used both in Mamaearth's official website and app. Mamaearth's products are also available in Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. Along with that, Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than they use. And every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order to a tree that they plant. By the year 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant more than 1 million trees. Now, as you all can see, this amount of sunscreen is just perfect to cover the whole face. And it's super easy to blend as well. These are the 5 mistakes that I made, and I guess many of us do while using sunscreen. I hope you all liked the video and have cleared all your doubts. If you still have any question, then feel free to contact me on my Instagram page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can meet again in my next video. Bye bye.